Hello, minasan, konnichiwa. Samurai Engineer des.
Hello.
And this is
Jikooooochan, and this is Daddy.
Fujiko Higashi
Fantawa.
Andayasan
Tuwa.
Jowa.
Wait, lagay ng H o H.
It's okay with age or without age. We can have it
Hello, this is
later.
Daddy.
Okay. Daddy and Jiko
Fantawa.
have received a package
Yay!
from Tagbilaran City, Bohol.
And I
Yes.
get it from.
And the package, let us open it. Opening it
And I.
while Jiko eats her food. What is your food?
Chow bit.
Wow, it's a chocolate bit. Wow.
Hindi chow bit.
So there are many
Many.
clothes inside. So
Let's open.
let's open it one by one. Thank you. Fujiko Higashi-chan.
Tuwa.
Let's open it. Okay. Wow. I
Wow.
will ask you a question. Who is I will ask you a question. Who is this one?
Malmon.
Who is on the other side?
Tweety.
Tweety and Malmon.
What
Tweety and Malmon. Okay?
What Tweety?
Tweety, Malmon. Okay? Look. Look, it's a beautiful clothes, a beautiful t-shirt, white t-shirt with Malmon and Tweety. And Malmon and Tweety, look, they are
Mary.
wearing a Japanese national clothes. It's a Japanese national clothes. This one is a Japanese clothes for men, and this one is for women. Wow, it's a nice one.
with ribbon.
Okay, it's a nice one. Do you like Malmon? Yes, of course. Another one. This is one. Let us open another one.
Yay!
Another white shirt. Okay, another one. Let's open it.
Let's see.
Do you want to see? This is not a shirt. This is a polo shirt. This is a polo shirt with collar. Look at the collar. And with
Malmon.
another Malmon.
It's half.
It's another. It's half only. It's half Malmon here. It's one half of Malmon here. It's a polo shirt with Malmon printed on the side. Only half of the
Malmon.
face of Malmon. Half only like that. Only half. It's okay, Malmon. Don't worry. We like you. Do you like Malmon? Yes. So two. Two.
Let's open
Another one. Let us open it. Let us open it. Ooh, it's a blue one.
Look one.
And look who's printed on the polo shirt. Another polo shirt. Polo shirt is
46.
the one with collar. The one is t-shirt without collar. Okay? Okay, polo shirt with collar. Who's printed on the t-shirt? On the polo shirt?
Malmon.
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 So it's Malmon and who else? Can you see others on the
Elephant.
elephant
And a bee.
and the bee? Wow.
If he the champion.
Yes. It's a winner. Can you read this?
Call me Malmon.
Wow. Bumi Malmon. What is the number of Malmon?
46.
46.
Yeah.
Nice job. Do you like the blue one? Yes. So later I will introduce you to the
Good.
elephant and bee. There's no the bird. There's no bird. Elephant and
B.
bee. Okay. There are three clothes. And the last one. We have a black. It's a black. It's a black. So let's open it. It's a black one. Let's see what's inside.
Let's see. Mom, another mammoth.
Another Malmon and another polo shirt
Another bee.
with a collar. Who's printed? Who's printed?
Cool.
Malmon and
And
elephant and
a bee.
another bee. Elephant and bee. These are Malmon's
Friends.
friends. Malmon's friends is Sweetie.
Sweetie.
Sweetie is Malmon's friend. How about elephant and bee? Pets?
Pets.
They are pets.
Pets.
Sweetie is the friend. Okay. What about in front? Who is printed in front?
Malmon.
Another Malmon is printed in front like this.
Wow.
Like that. And at the back.
Igloo.
Yes, at the back.
Igloo.
Wow, do you like it?
Yeah. Igloo.
Wow, wow.
Igloo.
Jikooooochan can hide. Wow, it's a nice day. Daddy got how many?
4.
4 clothes. 2 white, 1 polo and 1 t-shirt, and 1 black and blue polo shirt. So total 4 clothes. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. What will you say to the viewers?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the icon.
Yes. Thank you for watching.